Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, I am Kriti Chauhan from Thakur Vidya Mandir. My topic is Introduction to HTML. This is for both 7th and 8th standard students. Before we go in depth about HTML, we should get clear with few terms like web browser, web page, website, web server, URL, Uniform Resource Locators, and www, World Wide Web. Let's start with web browser. What exactly web browser is? Web browser is a software application that access information on the World Wide Web. The web browser is also called as browser. There are different kinds of web browser. Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Internet Explorer. These are the commonly used browser. There are many more as you can see in the image. Next topic is World Wide Web, commonly called as web, in short WWW, which is a system, information system where document and web resources are identified by Uniform Resource Locator and which may be interlinked by hypertext and are accessible over internet. This means www is storing all the documents and the web resources. These resources and documents are identified, are located using URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Each of these documents and resources are interlinked using hypertext. Hypertext is a kind of text which is used to link two resources together, and these resources are only accessible over internet. Now, what is URL? URL is generally called the address of the resources. Address, how to identify the address? As you can see in the image, there is one image https://www.google.com. This is URL. This URL is nothing but it is identifying the resource called the google.com. Now the next thing we will understand is about hypertext transfer protocol, the HTTP in given figure. The resource of www are transferred via HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol. This protocol tells what kind of resource we are trying to transfer on the application or a software called web browser. These resources are published by the software application called web server. Can you see the second image? Here the URL is divided into three sections: protocol, domain and path. Protocol will tell what kind of domain is going to be identified by www, and path will tell what kind of file, what type of file is going to be accessed by the browser. This entire domain, including the path, will be published by the software application called web browser. Most web browsers display the URL of a web page above the browser in an address bar. Typically, URL could have the form http www.example.com/index.html. This indicates HTTP a protocol, www.example.com is a host name, index.html is a file name. Web server. Web server is a computer that stores web server or software. And along with the software, it also has website components like HTML documents, image, CSS style sheet, and JavaScript files, and many more. Now these servers are connected to internet and supports physical data interchange with the other devices that is connected to the web. Now in this image, as you can see, there are three sections: client, web server, and database. Client generally send requests on the internet. Through the internet, the web server will try to locate and get the resource from the database, and this server will return back with the result through internet to the client. Next topic is website. Website is nothing but the collection of web pages. Each web pages are related to one another and they also share common domain name. Now these websites are published on more than one web server. For example, wikipedia.org. This is a website where it consists of more than one web page, and each web page shares a common domain name, that is wikipedia.org. Now there are two kinds of website, public and private. All the publicly accessible websites collectively constitute the www, that is World Wide Web, and the private website that can only be accessed on private networks, such as company's internal website for its employee. Each website are typically dedicated to a particular topic or purpose, such as news, education, commerce, entertainment, or social networking. Now, in a website, each web page is linked with a hyperlink that navigates from one site to the another. Now, when the website is loaded on the browser, the first page that you see is called home page. Next is the user can access website on a range of devices, including desktop, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The software applications are used on these devices is called web browser. The last topic is web page. A web page is a collection of information provided by a website and displayed to a user in a web browser. Typically, website consists of many web pages linked together in a coherent fashion. You can see the image of web page. Now, this web page is a part of a website called www.informationqueue.com. Now, this website is loaded with the home page having multiple of links. Example, news, computer, laptop, tab, mobile, tablets, gadgets, and technology. Each of these links are connected to many other web pages. So, the collective form of web page forms a website, and these websites are published on one or more servers, and the server is connected to the web, that is www, and the web is only accessed on the browser. Thank you, students. Hope you like my video. Reference link regarding HTML is given below. Stay tuned for my next video regarding what is HTML.